we pass the floor to Canada.
Thank you, Mr. President. The High Commissioner highlighted unresolved human rights violations and as they continue to accumulate. Far too many members and observers of this Council bear responsibility for extending this human suffering. Council members have an additional duty to embrace their human rights obligation, not that this should be required. For instance, the government of China's ongoing persecution of religious and ethnic minorities, especially in Xinjiang and Tibet, is incompatible with its international obligation and its own constitution. We urge authorities to release all individuals detained for exercising their human rights and to protect cultural and linguistic rights. The lack of transparency and due process in the cases of thousands of Uyghurs detained in so-called re-education camp and in the cases of detained human rights defenders throughout the country continue to call into question China's commitment to the rule of law.